I'm cooking this today. An amazing chicken recipe made right in the skillet, quick, easy, and so delicious that you'll want to make it again and again. Let's get started by cutting 2 pounds of chicken. Slice it into strips first, and then chop it into small, bite-sized pieces. Perfect for cooking evenly and absorbing all the delicious flavors. This recipe is so simple and practical that I'm sure it's going to become your new favorite go-to dish for any day of the week. Place the chicken in a bowl and let's start building some flavor. Add 3 eggs to the bowl. They'll help bind everything together while adding richness to the dish. Then toss in 2 heaping tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley. This will give the chicken a fresh, herby kick that's absolutely irresistible. Mix everything together really well, making sure the chicken is evenly coated with the eggs and parsley. Now it's time to season. Sprinkle in half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Next, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise to give the mixture a creamy texture and an extra layer of flavor. Mix it all up again, making sure every piece of chicken is well coated. You'll notice the mixture getting creamier and more flavorful already. Gradually add 7 ounces of flour to the mixture. Stir as you go to keep it smooth and lump-free. This step is super important to get that perfect consistency. By the way, I'd love to know where you're watching me from. Drop a comment below and let me know. It's so amazing to see how far my videos are reaching. For an extra touch of flavor, add 3.5 ounces of grated cheese. This salty, cheesy addition takes these fritters to a whole new level of deliciousness. It's the secret to making everyone go back for seconds. Heat about 1.35 ounces of oil in a skillet over medium heat. Let it heat up for about 5 minutes. This step ensures the chicken will cook evenly and get that perfect golden crust. I'm making large fritters, using a big spoonful of the mixture for each one, but feel free to make them smaller if you prefer. Bite-sized fritters are perfect for snacks or appetizers. Carefully add the fritters to the skillet and let them cook for 8 minutes on low heat. This allows the chicken to cook all the way through while developing a beautiful golden crust. Once one side is golden and crisp, flip them over gently to cook the other side. Be patient. It's worth it to get that perfect texture. And there you have it. Our chicken fritters are ready to enjoy. Oh my God, these are absolutely amazing. The texture, the flavor, the aroma, it's all perfect. You need to try this recipe. I'm sure it'll be a hit and everyone will be asking for more. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll see you in the next video with another delicious recipe to share. Enjoy.